Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to play O Re Piya on the harmonium. First, let's get acquainted with your instrument. You'll use the bellows for air, the keys for notes, and the stops to control the sound. Proper posture is key for comfort and endurance, so sit up straight and relax. We will focus on the C-sharp minor scale, which forms the melodic backbone of this beautiful composition. Now, let's dive into the melody of O Re Piya. The song typically begins on the fifth note of the C-sharp minor scale, which is G-sharp. Practice the opening phrase, O Re Piya, slowly, focusing on the precise timing and duration of each note. Listen carefully to the original song to internalize its emotional depth and subtle nuances, which are crucial for an authentic rendition. Effective fingering is vital for a fluid performance. For the melody, primarily use your first three fingers, the thumb, index, and middle finger. We will also incorporate essential chords like C-sharp minor and G-sharp major to enrich the sound. Practice transitioning smoothly between these chords and the melodic lines. Aim for a seamless flow, ensuring each note and chord rings out clearly and with purpose. To truly master O Re Piya, consistent practice is your best friend. Try to practice for at least 20 minutes every day, focusing on accuracy and musicality. Playing along with the original track will help you internalize the rhythm and emotional nuances. Remember to maintain a steady tempo from beginning to end, allowing the song's beauty to unfold naturally. Keep practicing, and you'll soon play it beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.